everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about canned meat. But first, before we jump into that, just like to remind you, if you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do it. Hit the subscribe button right down there, turn it from red to gray, and then ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these videos. All right, canned meat. I'm talking about not just buying canned meat. I'm talking about canning your own meat. And some people are going to go, "Oh, no, that's too scary for me to do." Well, I have to admit, yeah, it is kind of scary. I'm got my mom's pressure canner all ready to go and stuff. I was getting ready to do some, and I had to take it off the place where I was going to do it and bring in a bunch of. My daughter brought over a bunch of plants and stuff, not plants, but pots for me to chit seeds for. But that's a whole nother story. I will be canning ground beef. I will be canning stew meat, and I will be canning chicken here before the 4th of July. So I'm learning to do it. I grew up just doing water bath canning with jams and jellies and stuff. So I'm taking the plunge into the pressure canning stuff and doing it. You can do it too. And I've watched watched other channels and listened to so many people talk about it and read so much on the Rebel Canners Facebook page of people talking about, oh, I just scored all this meat on sale at such and such store, and I got like 20 pounds of chicken. I'm canning chicken. More power to them. And when I get comfortable canning meat, I will increase the amount of meat that I can. I would like to be able to can all the stuff I have in the freezer, get it all canned up and on the shelf so it's sitting there. I don't have to worry about power outages. And that's one of the benefits of canning your own meat is you don't have to worry about power outages. Some of these people on their videos and on the chats and stuff talk about, I've had this stew meat in here for 5 years on the shelf. I cracked it open and it's still good. And people have talked about longer time frames. So, heck, back when my great grandmother was, raising her family of 15 boys and girls, they canned all their meat. And this is before they had pressure canners. This is when they used to do it the water bath way and actually water bath it for 3 hours, not doing a little shortcut stuff. And they all survived and went on to have plenty of kids and grandkids and great grandkids and etc. So if it was good enough for my great grandmother and my grandmother to do, it's going to be good enough for me. Because, hey, my grandmother talked about stuff they canned that was several years old that they kept using. All righty, so can your own meat. If you don't know how, start watching some of these channels that cover it. Rebel Canners is a good place to start, and also Rebel Canners on Facebook. Tammy runs both those, and you can learn a lot from people that can meat, and they talk about it. They show how to do it, and they're still alive. Alrighty, so as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, water, food, medicines, canned goods, home canned goods. Why? Well, this is why.